Hello, I'm Wendy. Today I'm talking about the IRC formula. So the first, look at the picture that has 2 points on the function. One point is P point, and another point is the Q point. And now there is a tangent line through the P point is the blue one. And between the P and Q2 point, there has a second line is the black one. And now we need to know what is the x value and the y value of the P point and Q point. First, we look at the P point. The x value will be the a. So the x value of the Q point it will be a plus h. And why we don't use the b to call the Q x value? Because of the h is mean the distance from the P to Q. And now because of the x value of the P point is a, so we can call the y value of the P point is fa. And the same way of the Q point, the y value will be the fa plus h. And now we need to know what is the relationship between the P and Q2 point and between the h. The h is very important for this picture. The first, if the Q point being the right of the P point, the h will be greater than 0. And if the Q being the left of the P point, the h will be less than 0. And now, if the h is equal to 0, the Q point will become the P point, and the second line will become the tangent line. And because of those, we can now slope of the second PQ becomes PQ equal to fa plus h minus fa divided by h. And now we need to know when the Q approaching to P is mean the slope of the second approaching to slope of the tangent. What will be happen? So the first, if the slope of the second approaching to slope of the tangent, the Q will approaching to P and the h will be approaching to 0. And we need to know what is the IRC formula. And because of this, we can see that the point Q approaching to the point P. So the second approaching to the tangent, and therefore the slope of the second should approaching to the slope of the tangent. So we can use the limits to describe it. And h will be approaching to 0, so we can get a formula of the IRC is like this one. Mt equal limit h approaching to 0, fa plus h minus fa divided by h. So this one is our IRC formula. Okay, thank you for your watching. I'm Wendy. Bye.